Hi guys, I'm super excited to be here today. Hope you guys are doing great. Hope you guys are very okay. All right, so today I'm going to be showing you guys two tools that can help you do Facebook ads better. I'm going to be showing you two tools owned by Facebook that can help you understand how to create better ads. So the first one we're going to be looking at is the Facebook Audience Insight. So we're going to be looking at the Facebook Audience Insight, what it does and what it is used for. Then the second one we're going to be looking at is the Facebook ad library. So many people don't know these things exist. Now, the Facebook ad library is a library where everybody that is creating ads on Facebook, their ads are there. So the good thing about the Facebook ad library is that you can go there and peep on what your competitors are doing, what other people are doing, what is working. And one easy way to know which ad is working and which ad is not working is if the ad has been in the ad library for over some time. Let's say the ad has been running for like 3 months, then you are sure that that ad is actually producing results for the person that put it out there. So I'm going to show you how to use the Facebook ad library, and I'm also going to show you how to use the Facebook ad audience insight. So let's first of all look at the audience insight. To get there, so all you're just going to do is you could just Google Facebook audience. I have the link, but I don't want to use the link. I just want to do it the easy way so that you guys can easily navigate your way to it. So the easy way to get to your Facebook audience insight is to go to www.facebook.com/business insights tools, and you're going to see that. So let's just search this now, and you can see we have. So we can just click on this one here. So it's going to take us to the audience insights. So once you get to an interface like this, all you're just going to do is click on this, go to audience insight, and we are here now. So this is what the Facebook audience insight looks like. So you can have insights on two different types of audience. Number one, everyone on Facebook. Number two, people connected to your page, all the pages you have on your account. So if you want to know people connected to them, about them, so you can choose this second one. So for this, we want to be doing ads, so I would want to go with this first one so we can see a lot. So now this is the rough sketch of everyone on Facebook by this insight. Then as you search by this left area, you can now see further information that you need to see. Now if you look at this part here, so Facebook says that they have 55% of the people on Facebook are women and 45% are men. And the highest age bracket within Facebook is 25 to 34. You can see it here, 25 to 34. That's the highest highest age bracket of people on Facebook. Then we also have then I think next to that is 35 to 44, which is 19%. So that's a breakdown. So with this, you can know the kind of audience that is on Facebook. Now let's narrow it down to your own physical location. So let's say, for example, I stay in Lagos, Nigeria, and I want to look at who are the people that are in Lagos, Nigeria, and the kind of audience I can find there. All right, so I just search Lagos. So now I want to search it based on the location. Now in Lagos, you could see, so depending on anything you need, any information you need, you can compare, you can check a selected audience and all that. So you might just want to go through this, play around it, and understand how best you can use it. So you can also check based on interest, business and entertainment, food and drinks, whatever. So let's say, for example, for those of us that have been running Facebook ads before now, you know the detailed targeting area. So the detailed targeting area, those things you have in mind to use as your detailed targeting object topics, you can impute them here and check them out. So let's say, for example, I wanted to use let's say self-employed. So something like this now. So this is a search for people within Lagos that are self-employed, looking at the average of the people. That's if you are comparing it by location. So Ikeja has a like 2%. Let's go to if I'm comparing it based on demographics. So self-employed people, within this we have, so there are so many things you can just break down the numbers. Now these numbers are very, very important, that it's going to help you have a better understanding of how you can run ads better. So I would not want to spend too much time here. I've showed you the tool. It's left to you to now go dissect it, play around it, so that you can understand how best to use it for your own result. All right, so the next tool I want to show you, this is where I really want to dwell on, is the Facebook ad library. The Facebook ad library. So just come to your browser and type in facebook.com/ad library, and you're going to see it there. So facebook.com/ad library. Ad library is is one word together, and it's going to bring you to an interface like this, and it's really, really cool. So we can now start searching. So now the easy way to do this is that you can choose a category of what you want to search for. So you can say you want to search for, okay, I want to search for all ads. So the easy way to do this is to just type in the advertiser's name here. So once you type in the advertiser's name, all related ads he has been doing are going to show up. So let's say, for example, I want to search let's say let me look for a name. Let's say I'm trying to get a name. I know some people that always run good ads. So I'm trying to get one of their names to use here. All right, guys. So let me use this Frank Kern's page. So once I click on the advertiser and I search, they would show me all the ads is running right now. So you can see this is active, this is active, this is active. So you can see all this. So this guy is active. So he has how many ads? He has about 5 ads, four ads that are running right now. Now I can now peep on what exactly is doing. I can just look at the good thing about it is that the ad copy is there. The ad copy is there. Every single thing he's doing, I can see it. I can play his video if I want to. I can go, if I click on see ad details, it's going to open up better for me to look at exactly how he has broken it down. So I can use this as a guide. I'm not saying you should copy what other people are doing, but it's a very good way to get an insight on what you can do when you see other people doing it. So that's how this tool works. So it's very, very wonderful. So all you just have to do is to search the advertiser's name, so you know the people that are. So let me say, for example, now I search, let me say Jumia. So let me see Jumia. Let me see. So I search Jumia now. Now these are all the ads Jumia is running right now, and I can know exactly how. Imagine, wow, they are running a lot of Facebook ads right now, a lot. You can see this is active, and it shows you the platforms where the ads are showing up. So now they are running this particular ad on Facebook, Instagram, the Audience Network, and Messenger. So it's running on all platforms. So they're running this particular ad there. So if it was just a Facebook ad, it's going to show only Facebook here. If it was just Instagram, it's going to show only Instagram here. So right now, Jumia is doing all these ads right now. Some of them are retargeting ads. Some of them are fresh ads to get fresh audience. So if these people, okay, let's look at the dates of the ads now. So this one just came live 1st of April, 1st of April. So let me see. Okay, this one started running since the 17th of March. This one started running since the 3rd of March. So that's how you know if an ad is a very, very good ad, because if it has been running for a long time, that means the person has been getting results from it. So you might want to model those things. And so all you just need to do to make good use of this tool is to know the name of your competitor. Just know the name of the advertiser you want to search on. Come up here, search the names. You would see exactly what they are doing. This helps you, especially for those of us that are not very good in copywriting. You really don't know what kind of graphics to use that would convert. You don't know what kind of videos to use. You don't know how to write the write-ups that would make people take action. It's best you come to this tool, take a look at what other people are doing, and not just what other people are doing, what successful people have done. Then you can model that to create your own ad copies. So that's how to use the Facebook ad library. It's a very sweet tool. I've used it so many times and it has given me good results. And I would advise you to try to take a good look at it and use it too. All right, guys. So that'll be all for this section. I just wanted to show you guys these two tools, the Facebook Audience Insight and the Facebook Ad Library, how to use them when you're trying to plan creating your ads.